It's your boy Sego, and today I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know Aaron's gift come in tomorrow, and then the other gifts come in Friday. Yeah, I got him 2 gifts. So yeah, he told me he tried to figure out, what it was, cause he watched the last video where, the video about buying him a gift. So I knew he was kind of gonna try to watch it, but I didn't expect him, to tell me that he was. But hey, but yeah, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Leave it in the comments below, and hopefully everybody's day's going good. Mine's going pretty good right now. And yeah, basically I'm finna head to the shop so I can go over there and meet him, because he's finna drop his car off over there, because he just got his parts for his car in, and yeah, so he's pretty much there. I think all he needs is my gift. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't think I'm gonna vlog it, but I would vlog it, but I'm not sure going his car on here though. But basically I'm gonna get the gifts and install them on the car to see if he noticed anything different, when he gets the car again. Cause I'm pretty sure he won't be going. Well, I'll take it back. It's his car. He probably most likely gonna go up there and see if Jimmy fixed it yet. So hey, it is what it is. But basically I was already recording, and I forgot to bring the camera in with me. I was basically just uploading my last vlog. The last vlog, man, I ain't gonna lie, that was funny. I had to laugh at that myself. And yeah. But right now, I'm gonna head to the shop and see what's going on, and I'll give y'all an update in a minute. Alright, I'm back. So I got my C in now, and they actually took it apart pretty fast. It said it's not that hard, so let's meet this whole thing. So check it out. See, there it is. I ain't need that wash. Look at that. Well, you guys, I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Yeah, basically, I think that might be it, but I don't know. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna end it right there. I'm gonna pause it right here and come back tomorrow, and yeah. What is up? It's been what, 2 days, I think, since I picked the camera back up. But actually, I'm gonna show you the progress we got done so far. And yeah, but basically we got all the timing belt and stuff off now. Like, yeah, today is Monday. Yeah, today's Monday, and I think it was what, Saturday? Or no, Friday. Well, it's been 3 days ago. 3 days. So it's been Friday. Friday they was getting all the parts off, and so yesterday me and Rosie basically put the 300 in time, which it was pretty easy. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. We looked it up on the internet and lined the dots up on there. I had to show y'all what I'm talking about, and yeah, and basically got the water pump off, got the old timing belt off, which I'm glad I did, because compared to the new one, oh yeah, I really did need that. And yeah, so basically I'm headed to the shop right now and finish that up, because actually what I was doing yesterday was, when I got the water pump off, you gotta clean that part where the gasket, the water pump gasket goes. So basically, what we did was like got like a sharp scraper to get all the old, gasket off. Because if you don't get all of it off, you will have a leak, a water pump leak, and you have to take all that timing belt cover and all that back off. And that's yeah, that wouldn't be good. So basically, I'm gonna go finish that up. Cause basically, what I did yesterday, we did the scrapers and stuff. Then after that, I hit it with like a little white pad, and it's actually look like it's clean. It's like off, like all of it's off. But I'm gonna have to get Jimmy's opinion because I gotta make sure. I don't want to be putting it back off and stuff. But yeah. And then after that, so after that, basically we just gotta put the water pump on. Put the timing belt on. Then after that, maybe put like the thermostat and stuff back in, and we probably but I'ma see though. But right now it's like 9 something. I said I was gonna get up at 7, which I did, but I ended up going back to sleep because last night was Mother's Day, and so I was up to like 12 something on the game with Carl talking, and but oh yeah, I might as well show y'all the gifts I got Aaron. I'm gonna put it on now. Yep, that's what I got him, and he liked the the looks and stuff, and he got a lot of. I ain't gonna lie, we went to the meets Saturday, and he got a lot of opinions on it, like the shift knob and mainly the shift knob, which the piece oh no, I don't think it's on there, but he had like now he has like some type of string going around it. It's like got beads and stuff around it to make it look more like of a samurai sword, and it turned out pretty good. I said I like that idea because to be honest, the shift boot itself, it was like too short. So basically, we had to get to where we can maneuver around, and you still had to get one, the shift boot, because that one that's known in the 300ZX. Like the shift boot is like torn apart. Like we're actually we gotta put the shift boot in and you gotta get the screw down and stuff. But I mean, that's later on down the road because I was gonna get him the shift boots and the one for his e-brake boot. For his e-brake, an e-brake boot. It was gonna be, both of them was gonna be red, the gold to red. And I ain't gonna lie, I like that color scheme. So yeah, but basically I'm almost at the shop and I'm give y'all update in a minute. Check this Camaro out. Check it out, man. I ain't gonna lie, I would get me one, but I just can't picture myself driving one. Basically, gotta get all that wiring and stuff, looking neater. But actually, before this, I had to show y'all a picture, but it was worse than that, and it's actually getting there. And I think, to be honest, I think he almost through. Cause I think he had to get some of the connectors to the fuse box, and yeah, basically he was just like soldering some of them together, some of the wires, and yeah, but it's a pretty clean car. It's a pretty clean car. It has some LED lights. Oh, see, you got the light. Oh, okay. See, this light was closed, like they basically, or like the grill, like when they flip back to like they turn around. Let me see if I can. Yeah. No, that ain't it. Yes, it is. That's basically what it looks like when the lights are off. When they're on, these are flip on, flip basically out. So it's pretty cool how they got these cars like that. But yeah, they've got to dump some money to this car. dump some money into this car. Hopefully we'll have some more of these type of cars in the vlog. So yeah. But now the Z. Yeah, she collected some dust. But look at all the mess we made yesterday. When we took the water pump out, it was already, you know, it was already dirty. I mean, not dirty. I said dirty. It was already pouring out some more coolant after we took the water pump off, and yeah. But yep. Need to go ahead and finish cleaning up this gasket and stuff. All right, so we got this. What was I gonna say? Oh, so basically about the dots, about the timing. See, I don't know if I can. Let me see if I can focus it for y'all. All right, see that dot right there? All right, that dot has to be lined up with this, and that's the first dot. Now, the second dot is the same way. You see? Focus. Let me back up some. There you go. That dot has to line up with that dot right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There it is. The little dot up there. And then basically this little dot has to line up with that dot right there. As y'all can see, that's on point. And this dot down here has to line up with this little, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's like a little cut in the bracket piece, but it has to line up with that dot. And this lined up. And this one is the same way. Line up with that dot right there. So it's in time basically. So we basically had to put that in time before we even put the, you know, the new time belt on. Because if you do that, oh yeah, let me show y'all the reason. Remember, I think I was telling y'all in one of my vlogs when I put the air filter on, when I putting that on, well, basically my car was stuttering. I know it wasn't tripping, so like, say if I was in second gear, and let me show y'all. Hold on, let me focus it first. Life of a camera, having a camera. But let me show y'all. So basically this whole little mass airflow sensor was green. Like, you probably still, you see some of it, like a little green right there. Basically that's what it was. It's just like corrosion on it. And yeah, it was corrosion on it, and I had it hooked up right here. And here's the connector for it. The connector doesn't have anything. It's pretty clean. So yeah. But basically I had the mass airflow sensor connected, and I seen the green stuff, but I didn't pay no attention, you know, and I didn't clean it out. So basically that's why my car was messing up. Well, not necessarily messing up, but like stuttering when I would cruise around 3,000 RPM. And yeah, Jimmy was like, yeah, that's bad, you need to, you know, clean that out. He basically cleaned it out with some brake cleaner, and I got cleaned out this part too right there. And yeah, that little red piece in there, that right there, I gotta clean that out too. And that way it'll read better, and it won't be, you know, stuttering anymore. Because yeah, I don't like that at all. But it should respond more better now if I do that. And you know, I can't wait to see it. And yeah, but let's get to it.